want to see.
After I make it. All right, go ahead and look. What did he bring you?
I want to see.
Dad, get Rudy.
Get me.
Dad, get him.
Get me.
Put him in your lap. So,
Octopus. I'm making a baby octopus.
Here.
Rip the head off and
I don't care what you eat of
easy, 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 easy. On the side.
go. This is very gross.
I'll just eat it. I wouldn't smell it. Eat it.
Oh. Oh, crunchy.
Rod's edition of Fear Factor.
Hey.
Yeah, you can get a drink. You can all you want.
Haven't seen anybody eat one yet. Everybody just plays with them.
This is really you have. This is a kid that doesn't even like
Nothing.
lettuce or anything.
You're eating octopus. Have you got its leg yet?
It's costing me.
Yeah, he's paying, but it was worth it.
You'd have to give me the big bucks and lick one.
Oh my word! Payne need a leg too.
How was
I
it?
am so impressed. What did it taste like?
Was it chewy? Was it really
Dang,
chewy?
it took me a while to rip the head off.
Did you eat the head?
Yeah, he ate the head.